Alright, so before we jump into the actual illustrations, I want to give you a quick tour of the Adobe Illustrator software. Now, once you launch Illustrator on your system, it's going to look something like this. This is kind of like the home page of Illustrator from where you can start. And depending on your version, it might look a little bit different, but essentially everything is here, what you need. Right now, I am logged into my Adobe Creative Cloud account, so that's why you see this little profile picture over here. Now, to create a new file, all you need to do is go up to File, select New, or Command N or Control N if you're using a PC, or you can directly click on this New File option, and it's going to give you some presets that are already loaded into Illustrator. Right now, you can start working with any of the presets. That over here, you can see the preset, the name and the dimensions, the width and the height. So you can change that over here on the width and the height panel, and you can give your document a name over here. And the most important thing that you might want to do is change this to RGB. Yours is probably right now in CMYK. Change this to RGB because that gives you a better range of color combinations and vibrant colors. And the resolution that you're looking for is 300 ppi, so you can change it from here. And make the preview mode to pixels. It would be on default, and make it to pixels. And you can choose any of the presets over here, click on it and just hit create. And it's going to give you a clean blank canvas on which you can start working. So you have a lot of things going on over here. You have something on the left. This is called the toolbar, and these are the different windows that are there, the properties, the layers, the libraries, swatches. All of that we're going to cover when we are actually making some illustrations. But for now, let's set up our workspace. To do that, go up to Windows and Workspace. Currently you are on the Essentials workspace, and this reduces a little bit of the friction that it reduces the number of tools that you have on the toolbar, and it makes it a little bit simple. But we want the full capacity of Illustrator to work with when we are drawing the stuffs. So to extend its vocabulary, we are going to change the workspace to Essentials Classic. That is going to give us a lot more tools on the screen with which we can work. And you can turn off any of the windows. So essentially all of these are windows. So the toolbar on top, the toolbar on the left, the panels over here, everything is a window. So essentially to turn on and off these windows, all you need to do is go up to Window, and you can find out the window that you're looking for, and you can turn it off or you can turn it on. Say for example, this top window over here, this is called the control. We already have the control over here ticked out, so that's why it is showing. We can close this and it is going to disappear from the screen. Again, we can go to Windows and we can hit the control to make it appear. All right, so that's all about the setting up of a document. And next, we are going to start making some illustration on this document. So on to the next one. Bye-bye.